This is my brand new Utilitech 20-inch box fan. And it's actually pretty cool. But again, it's actually also kind of cheap. This is my fourth acquisition from the yard sale. My second and third acquisition, and my first one was at my other house. My first one is at my dad's house. So here's my second one. This is a 12-inch Lasco and my 16-inch Comfort Zone. I have put them together, but my Lasco 12-inch is missing its guard nut, so it's kind of loose in the grill. It is 20 inches, and that's kind of big. So for scale, here we have my 12-inch Lasco. Hold on. Whoa. This thing is not the greatest. So here's the difference in size. The Lasco is 12 inches. This one is 20 inches, so it's slightly larger. I have to be very careful with the Lasco because once again the guard nut is missing and yeah. And I can't even pick it up by the handle again. There we go. Okay. And there's a lot of Medea box fans that have copied this. For example, we have the Polonis box fan, which is this one essentially, and it's the same one. The Mainstays box fans that are from Walmart, and a Hurricane box fan. I believe this comes in black too. Yeah, there's just a lot of box fans that have copied this. I'd say this is gonna be better than my Lasco Black Lasco Cool Colors box fan that I had. Apparently that fell over and the blade broke. You didn't have feet. This one does have feet that might be a bit more stable. Just like well, we have the blades. They're very skinny banana style. And they're blades that you would find on most pedestal fans. For example, the Holmes 18-inch digital pedestal fan. It has the same blades. The switch is on the front, kind of like a Holmes box fan from like the 90s or something. It has these really skinny banana style blades. Let's turn it this way. Also, this is made completely of plastic, unlike metal. Even the frame around it is plastic. My Lasco box fan all had a metal one. The side of it, and you have to take these parts off to get inside of the fan. I know that these are sometimes a pain to get inside of, to clean them. The back of it. The motor is kind of covered up. Not sure why. I'm not even sure how long it will last. The handle is right here in the corner. And right here we have cord storage. I'm not really going to use cord storage, but yeah, here's a low speed. I don't think it's really that loud as my Lasco box fan. And it actually is blowing a good amount of air for these really skinny plastic blades. Medium. Probably gonna blow my camera over, but it's very powerful. Here's high. It's where it gets pretty loud. This is actually my main 20-inch box fan for now. Unlike the 9 or 10-inch box fans that I have, the 10-inch Black & Decker and the 10-inch Comfort Zone. Yeah, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Peace.